How to log in into Santander online banking. Hello everybody. If you are wondering how you can do that, you may follow the step. So you can directly go ahead and download the application Santander official one, or you can head over to the website of santanderconsumerusa.com and open it up first. So once you open it up, you will be taken to another page. Now from the given interface, you can directly find the login into my account option, or you can look out for the sign in option in the top right corner. Let's just go ahead with login for now. So once you tap on it, you will be taken to another page. Wait for that page to load up. Now all you gotta do in order to log in online is you need to enter up your credentials. So go ahead and type in your username or email in the section that you use in order to create your online bank. After that, your password in this password section. Or you can even sign in with a one-time passcode if you have. If you've forgotten your passcode or your username, you can use this option of forgot your username and passcode and recover your account. Otherwise, in order to log in, you can just use up your credentials or sign in with a one-time passcode. Or if you're in the app, you can use your biometrics directly in order to log in. So that is it. You may follow the same process if you want to log in into Santander Consumer. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another video.